Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you some products I spotted at Dollar Tree, along with a few Amazon alternatives if you're looking for upgrades. So let's start with the first product, this wire basket. I love how versatile it is. You can use it in so many ways. It comes in multiple colors, and this golden one in particular would look beautiful as a fruit basket or for displaying other items. You could even use it to organize your napkins or small accessories. Let me know in the comments how would you use it. Next we have this basket in black. It has a slightly different design and pattern and was available in only two colors, white and black. It's just as functional though. Think organizing stationery, makeup brushes or hair accessories. It would look great on any countertop or shelf. Moving on, we have these plastic trays. I really like the brown and teal options. They are great if you want to color code and keep things looking neat. You can use them for just about anything like papers, documents, toys, books, or everyday clutter. They fit perfectly in closets and pretty much very simple, practical, and easy to use for organizing any space. So while passing through the party section, I found these beautiful pattern plastic bowls. They are perfect for parties, great for chips or snacks, and they come with matching bowls too. There were also different sizes, patterns, and colors available for these bowls. And finally, I spotted this ice cube tray. What I really liked about this one is that it says it's BPA free, and I believe the bottom is silicone, which makes popping out the ice cubes much easier, but I'm not 100% sure. Alright, now I'm going to show some Amazon alternatives that are worth checking out. First up, this ice cube tray set. It comes as a 4-pack with lids, and the trays are made of silicone, which makes popping out the ice cube super easy. What I love about this set is that it also includes a storage container and a scoop, so you're getting a lot for your money. It's BPA free, odor free, and the trays are stackable, which is great for saving freezer space. Right now, there is a limited prime deal with 37% off, so it's definitely worth checking out. Next, this plastic drawer organizer set. It comes with 25 pieces in 4 different sizes, which is great because you can arrange everything according to size. Cosmetics, kitchen tools, office supplies, you name it. They are stackable, clear, and come in multiple colors, so they look neat and not cheap at all. Another Amazon choice pick with solid 4.4 rating. For the wire storage baskets, I found this alternative from Amazon. They are 8 in a pack and they give such a clean, luxury look. You can use them in your pantry, kitchen cabinets, closet, laundry, or even your fridge. They come with removable label tags so you always know what's inside, and they have a 4.8 rating and are Amazon choice, so you can feel really confident about the quality. And finally, these serving bowls, they come in a 5-pack, and honestly, the shape is so unique. They'll really stand out at any party. Perfect for trips, salsa, fruit, snacks, whatever you are serving. They are BPA free, heavy duty, and you can either toss them or wash them and reuse them. They even come in 4 colors. The black ones look so chic, and all of this just for $9.99. I'll leave all the links down in the description and comments if you want to check anything out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next style.